Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Before we started, let me introduce myself. My name is Abdul Parmadi and I'm from Human Resource Management Concentration 7A. Hello everyone. Today I would like to share Generation Z perspective on global human resource management using example from global companies such as Google, Microsoft, and Unilever. Generation Z refers to people born between the mid 1990 and early 2010. They are now entering the global workforce with new expectations about flexibility, technology, and having a sense of purpose to work. These expectations are changing the way multinational companies manage their human resources. First, Generation Z is often called digital native. They are very comfortable with technology and prefer learning through digital platforms and interactive training systems. For example, Google offers online learning platforms like Google Career, certificate, and internal digital training program for employees around the world. This fits well with Gen Z desire for continuous learning and skill development. Second, Generation Z really cares about work-life balance and mental health. A good example in Microsoft, which introduced hybrid and remote work policies after the COVID-19 pandemic. Employees can work more flexibly. Is Microsoft, which introduced hybrid and remote work policies after the COVID-19 pandemic. Employees can work more flexibility while still staying productive. This show that for the Gen Z, success is not only about salary or job title, but also about personal well-being, managing time wisely, and working in a healthy and supportive environment. Third, Generation Z strongly support diversity, inclusion, and sustainability. Unilever is known for its commitment to sustainability and social responsibility through programs like the Unilever Sustainable Living Plan. From Gen Z perspective, companies should not focus only on making profit, but also care about protecting the environment, promoting gender equality, and running their business ethically. Global human resource management plays an important role in bringing this value into recruitment training and performance evaluation system. Of course, managing Gen Z globally also comes with challenge. One main challenge is employees retention. Gen Z employees may leave a company if they feel their work has no meaning or if they do not see opportunities to grow. Another challenge is cross-cultural and cross-generational teamwork. In conclusion, Generation Z is reshaping global human resource management with value such as digital innovation, work-life balance, diversity and inclusion, and sustainability. The example of Google, Microsoft, and Unilever show how global companies are adjusting their human resource strategy to meet this expectation. Thank you for watching. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.